Hello and welcome to Beyond the Bio, the recap. In these super short episodes, I am recapping Monday's episode and encouraging you to take action based on the topic that was discussed on Monday. So Monday, I was talking about having a speaker kit and what that covered, what it included, and how to make yourself appear more professional when seeking out or accepting speaking opportunities. Many of our new clients tell me that speaking is the most important area for them to see results in, but often they don't have a huge amount of experience in this area and they almost never have all of their collateral ready to go. So I think the quickest way that you can establish yourself as a professional speaker is to have your speaker kit looking slick. So a speaker kit is made up of some or all of the following: a speaker pack, bios, photos, testimonials, a speaker reel, and also a personal website. So I was chatting on Monday in a bit more detail about what each of those things included. So the speaker pack is kind of all of that put together essentially. So your bio, your speaker topics, action shots, testimonials, contact details, and possibly pricing as well, although you may not feel comfortable including pricing, which I get. And my way around that is that I deal with any inquiries by asking what their budget is, which I think is quite a good way of handling the pricing issue. So your speaker pack can be sent out to event organisers when you're pitching for speaking gigs. It can be hosted as a download on your website, and it can be pinned as a featured post on your LinkedIn or any other social media platform. This week's Take Action is super easy. It's going to be to create your speaker kit. It's going to be, if you've got one already, it's going to be to review it and make sure that everything is up to date and make sure that you've included all of the bits that I've discussed. If you've got it and it's ready to go and it's professional and it's current and it's up to date, it's going to be to think about where you can host that and have that in more places. So is it that you need to add it to your LinkedIn? Is it that you need to create a download on your website? And if you are starting completely from scratch, it's going to be to start pulling all of those bits together and having something that is there and ready to go. If you missed the episode on Monday, do go back and listen to it because I cover each of those elements in a bit more detail. Definitely also listen to the previous episodes of Beyond the Bio where I've spoken to people that are more expert in speaking. So the TEDx episode, the episode with Danny Wallace where we're talking about how to be better as a speaker, and also the episode with Camilla where she's talking about how she has included speaking as an income stream within her business. So there's a few resources there in terms of previous episodes, but definitely check out Monday's episode if you missed it to learn in more detail what should be included in your speaker pack. As always, let me know how you get on and I'll see you on Monday.